So what I have here is my new products is the CBN Sanding disc. I have them in PSA backing as also hook and loop backing. Okay, I have a few different grids from, let me see, let me lay it out. Okay, from here, okay, it's like I'm playing pokers here. This is 45 micron. This one is 30 micron. And this one here is 15 micron. This one here is 9 micron. And the finest one is the 3 micron. Again, 45, 30, 15, 9, and 3 micron. Again, this comes in hook and loop and PSA. I tell you, these sanding discs is phenomenal. Later part of the video, I will use these to do some sharpening and show you the scratch pattern. Is some of the best scratch pattern I've seen. Okay, all right. So I'll see you in just a little bit. Okay, now I'm ready to use these CBN sanding discs to do some test sharpening to show you the scratch pattern of it. They're very consistent, very nice. Unlike the regular abrasive, like silicon carbide or aluminum oxide, the CBN, even though they're in the finer grids, they can still cut it down into the metal. In other words, when we use, like, let's say silicon carbide, if we want to cut down on the metal, we will use a coarser grids, and then goes down to progressive to finer grids, right? But in the CBN, you can actually just use one grids and do the cutting, and will leave a finer scratch that will easier to take out by the polishing later. So I am going to sharpen a blade to show it to you what kind of scratch pattern that will leave after I'm done with it. So let me see. So right here, right? So this one, it looks pretty good right now. So I'm going to use the this one here, 9 micron. Okay, 9 micron. And I will show it to you. See, this is before. Should I take a photo of it? And well, it's okay, I'll do that later. So this is how it looks before, and then I'll show you after. Okay. Let me see. See, it burns up very fast already. This is only 9 micron. It burns right up already. I don't know if I can show it on the camera. See that little fine white line on the edge? So when you turn it around, see how kind of good, kind of matte finish looking on the scratch pattern. So what does that mean is it has the burr already, and the face of it is only have like a slight matte finish. So will be very easy to take out by some polishing. So for polishing, a lot of people use different compound. They can use the color K1, which is the green compound, or use my Japanese blue compound. Let's say use the Japanese blue compound. See, it's like brand new. It's like brand new. Okay, so in other words, the 9 micron, even though it's as fine as probably around 1500 grids, but it burn up very fast. This actually is sharp right now. It burn up very fast, but leave a very fine matte finish, very easy to take out by polishing. Several other benefit about using the CBN film. I know we've been talking about a lot about using the CBN wheel and this and that. There's pros and cons about using CBN wheel, and same as this CBN lapping film. First of all, if you're not ready to invest in a CBN wheel, or if your hand is not trained enough to use a CBN wheel, you can go with the CBN sanding disc first. This CBN sanding disc, they're a lot cheaper. They're very easy to replace. They comes in hook and loop or PSA. They're a lot cooler. When they cut a lot cooler, and also that a lot less dust than any other abrasive. Okay, one of the very big advantage is using a CBN. Cooler, less dust, lasts much longer. They cost more than a regular abrasive, but they last longer, and that's several advantage over the regular abrasive. And then again, it comes with 5 different grids, and also that come with different backing. Like this one right here is come with PSA backing. I like to use PSA when I do freehanding, and when I do with the guy, I like to use hook and loop. And when I do beauty shears, I like to use PSA. When I do grooming shears, I like to use hook and loop, because grooming shears sometimes they have some like curve shears or something like that. You need to use hook and loop. And these PSA is a little bit not as forgiving as the hook and loop, the PSA, but they cut actually just the same, cut as good as the hook and loop. All right, and they are in 6 inches right now, but very soon I will have the 8 inches available. Right now I have 40 micron, 30 micron, 15 micron, 9 micron, and 3 micron. And so it will be available on my website, the shearslogic.com. Shears with the S and then logic.com. Okay, and this is Alex. Thank you.